Today we are going to discuss a sorting algorithm which is counting sort. Counting sort is not a comparison sort algorithm as we have seen in bubble sort, merge sort, insertion sort, where we perform sorting by comparing elements. Like in bubble sort, we compare adjacent elements, and in this way we get the sorted array. Now the next thing is it has order of n time complexity. But we always say that best known sorting algorithms are merge sort and quicksort, which have order of n log n time complexity. But this algo has order of n time complexity. So how is that? Yes, it works in order of n time complexity only if elements are in range say 1 to x, where x is equals to order of n. Thus we won't prefer it if elements are of higher order. Now let's see what is a algorithm. Now we have an input array having 5439176 in it. We'll make a temporary array corresponding to it having size equals to maximum among all the elements in input array, which is 9 plus 1. So its size will be 10. Now we are creating count array of size 10. Initialize whole array with 0 initially. So you can see here this is a count array. Next is let's store count of each element in count array. So like the first element is 5 here. We'll go at the fifth position, at the fifth index in count array, and we'll increment its value. Here it is 0, so we'll increment it by 1. Now it contains 1, as you can see here. Now the next element is 4, so we'll go at the fourth index and increment its value by 1 again. Similarly, we'll traverse the whole input array and change the count array accordingly. Now we'll modify the count array by making cumulative sum at each element. 0, copy 0 in it. Now 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. And finally 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have got the cumulative sum at each position. Now using this count array, we can have a output array, means the sorted array. How? Let's see. Pay attention here. You have 5 in input array. Now go at the fifth index in count array. You'll see 4 at that position. At the fourth position in output array, print 5. Please pay attention that here I am using one indexing to make my work easy in the output array. Let's see it more closely. Now we have inserted 5 at its correct position and we have decremented the counter here from 4 to 3. Next element we are going to pick is 4. At the fourth index in count array we have 3. So we'll put 4 at third position in output array. And also we'll decrement its counter by 1. Next element is 3. So at the third index we have 2, which says that store 3 at second position in output array, and we'll decrement it by 1. Next is 9. We have 7 in it, so store 9 here and decrement its counter by 1. Next is 1. 1 has 1 in it, so we'll store 1 here and decrement its counter by 1. Next is 7. It has 6 in it, so we'll store 7 here and decrement its counter by 1. Next we have 6. 6 has 5 in it, so we'll put 6 here and decrement its counter by 1. So finally what we have is a sorted array in output array. Let's take one more example. Here in input array you can see that there is some sort of repeatedness, so that I have chosen this example so that you can have a better understanding of how this sorting algorithm is working. I have already created this count array and I am sure you'll have no problem in making it. Now let's emphasize on output array. You have 2 at the first position, that is at 0th index. So go at 2, you will have 5 in it, store 2 here. And decrement this by 1. You'll soon understand that why I am decreasing this value. Next you have 1. Go at the first index. It has 2. So store 1 here and decrement this counter by 1. Next you have 6. Go at the 6th index. You have 7. So store 6 here and decrement this counter by 1. Next you have 2. Go at the second index. Now you have 4 here. So now I'm sure that you would have understood that why I decreased this value. So I'll store 2 here, otherwise I would have end up in storing 2 here again. Now let's decrement this value by 1 again. Next is 1. So you will go at the first index. It has 1. You will store 1 here and decrement this value 0. Next 2. Go at the second position. You have 3. Store 2 here and decrement this value by 1. Next you have 5. Go at the fifth position, fifth index. It has 6. So store 5 here and decrement this counter. So this was the sorting algorithm, that is counting sort. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos and please feel free to comment and tell us how we are doing. Thank you so much.